In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Hit OK. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and go into Tab menu. Following that, edit it thanks to this pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit over here, and look for a new Caffeine shortcut under Available Buttons. Hold it, add it to your current ones and place it wherever you want to. Then hit Done at the top right corner and go back. Now click on your shortcut, use this switcher next to Allow Permission and go back. Lastly, tap on it again to switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!